This video is a tutorial on how to use Online Public Access Catalog or OPAC of Bulacan State University. You can find books, audiovisual materials, research, periodicals, and a lot more. Just go to BULSU website, then look for Library Service at the bottom of your screen. Then click the link. Then you will see the library website. Just link the OPAC tab. You are now viewing the Online Public Access Catalog of Bulacan State University. On the home page, you will see the link of the Facebook pages in different libraries and the e-journal subscription links, Twitter account, and the login form. Profiles of students, faculty, and staff of the university, including login accounts maintained in the local database of GOHA system. Now you can log to your own account. Just fill out the form located at the right side of screen. Enter your first name, surname, then your password, and click login. If you do not know your password, please contact your library. In general, researchers are not required to log in to OPAC to use its basic features. However, students, faculty, and staff of the university can log in to access the special features of the system. By default, all users accessing OPAC will see a common interface and the same set of menu options. Once logged in, you will see the different menu bar on the left side, such as circulation summary, finds, personal details, tags, password, search history, reading history, purchase suggestions, messaging, and list. A welcome message with your login name will also be displayed on the upper section of the site. In my summary tab, where all your currently loaned materials are listed with the overdue items highlighted in red, it shows brief information for each of your borrowed items such as title, author, due date, barcode number, call number, and fine. For overdue items, if any. Keep track with your fines and fees by clicking My Fines tab. It will show just the total of what a patron owes. You will see a complete breakdown of their fines and bills. My Personal Details shows your personal information, such as your college, name, birthday, address, contact information, and student or employee details. The student and employee can edit their details in this form and click Submit Changes to have their edits sent to the library for review before their record is updated. My tags will show patrons all of the tags in the system as a cloud, and then all of the tags they have applied in a list format. From here, patrons have the ability to remove tags that they have added if they want. To change your password, just go to Change My Password tab. Just type your current password, then type the new password, then retype it, then click Submit Changes for update. Your system administrator manages your request. In your Search History tab, you can view all your previous and current search keywords which are recorded. In your reading history, you can see all records of your past transactions. This is useful if you need to check what you have borrowed, returned, or renewed in any of the libraries in your constituent university. At the left upper right, you can sort out your reading history by title or by date. Your purchase suggestion allows you to submit requests for materials for possible purchase of a library unit. A form is provided for you to fill in information about the material you wish to recommend. There is no guarantee that your request will be granted. All titles recommended will be reviewed and evaluated by the librarian. Your request may also be forwarded to another library unit if the recommended title is more appropriate or relevant to another library. This tab lists down all the titles you have submitted to the library for future acquisitions. Information you will see from this interface include the title, note, managed by, and status of your request. In this tab, patrons will be able to choose which messages they want to receive from the library. In this tab, your patrons can review public lists and create or edit their own private lists. When you logged into OPAC, you are advised to log out after using the system to prevent other users from using your account. To log out, simply click the Log Out button available at the top right section of the site. The graphical user interface of the OPAC. This section describes in detail all the user interfaces and the functionalities available in the Online Public Access Catalog module. The default interface of OPAC is the search box. Below the search box form is What's New section, where all announcements, notices, and important messages are displayed. The online catalog is the first menu group available in the main menu. The menu group being the major component of the OPAC module. The basic search provides a simple search form with one search box and an option to search in specific fields. To begin a search, simply type your search expression in the search box and click Search button or hit Enter key on your keyboard. Using the drop-down menu, you can limit the search in a particular field. Search fields available are Library Catalog, Title, Author, Subject, ISBN, Series, and Call Number. The default search field is the Library Catalog. When searching for a specific title, enter the complete title or just keywords within the title. For author search, enter the full name of the author in any order. For subject searches, enter the complete subject entry in the subject heading form or just keywords or phrases within the subject. For ISBN search, enter the 10-digit or 13-digit ISBN. When searching for series, enter the series of the book. For call number search, enter the complete call number or just the beginning of the call number if you wish to get titles of the same classification number. For a broad search in the database, use the Library Catalog option. The Library Catalog search will search all major fields in the database such as author, title, subject, general notes, content notes, series, and abstract or summary. For more complex search requirements and very specific search inquiries, an advanced search interface is provided. Using this interface, you can combine search expressions and select from a number of search limits. The advanced search interface includes 3 search boxes and 3 drop-down menus for search fields. Fill in one or all of the search boxes and select specific fields for each search expression. To illustrate how to use the different options available in this interface, we will use the 2 common types of information search, namely known item search and the subject search. A known item search is when at least certain information about the records being searched are known, such as title or author. On the other hand, a subject search is a type of search where unknown items which may satisfy an information need are being searched for. To search for a known title and author, enter the title in the first search box and select title in the first drop-down menu. Next, enter the name of the author in the second search box and select author in the second drop-down. To search for a subject, enter a keyword or phrase in any of the 3 search boxes. You may combine search expressions by filling in 2 or all 3 of the search boxes in the form. The date text boxes allows you to limit your search on a specific year of publication or copyright. If you know the exact year a material was published, you can fill in one of the 2 text boxes for date. If you wish to retrieve all records published within a given date range, just like from 2000 to 2008, you may enter the beginning and ending date. Search by item type provides an option to limit your search to specific types of materials. Clicking on any of the checkboxes will limit your search to that specific material type. By default, no checkbox is selected, which means your search will retrieve all relevant records matching the search expression regardless of the material. You can limit your search by language by choosing an drop-down box. The location drop-down list provides an option to narrow down the search to a specific location or library unit. By default, any location is selected, which means the search will retrieve all records matching the search expression found in any of the libraries available in the list. You can choose from the drop-down list on how to sort your search. The search result page shows you a brief display of the records returned from your search. By default, 20 records will be shown at a time. A navigation link will be shown below the results subsection and at the bottom section of the page when the search results return is greater than 20. The records per page can be changed from the basic and advanced search forms before executing the search. In the results table shows a checkbox before each record in a row, which can be used to bookmark records for processing at a later time. Also shows the brief bibliographic information for each record and usually contains the following fields: title proper and subtitle if available, personal author or corporate name, publisher, date of publication, illustration, and availability. In the same line below the bibliographic information, an option to place hold, save to list, labeled Add to Cart is also available. Clicking the Add to Cart link will add the record to your cart list. For items already added to your cart, the label will change to In Your Cart, which you can use to remove bookmark records from your cart list. option to record the results is available at the upper right portion of the results subsection. Records can be sorted by popularity, author, call number, title, and year in ascending or descending order by selecting the preferred sort field and sort order from the drop-down list available. To view the details of each record, click on its title. The Record Details page provides three different types of views, namely Normal View, MARC View, and ISBD View, Record Display. Each view is represented by a tab. The Normal View tab shows the most common bibliographic information describing a material such as title, publication data, physical description, and subjects. Notice the links on names of authors and subject entries in this view. Clicking on an author's name will trigger a search for other works of that author, while clicking on a subject entry will retrieve records of the same subject. The Mark Record tab provides an interface specifically designed for catalogers. It shows the record details in machine-readable cataloging format in a human-readable form. MARC is a standard format used in library systems for exchange of electronic cataloging records across different platforms. ISBD View tab provides an interface specifically designed for librarians. It shows the whole bibliographic record of the materials. Below the Record Details page is the holdings information. This table shows the available copies of a specific title which may be unavailable in the library. Location, call number, copy number, due date, barcode number, and what kind of materials available in the library.